What's up, guys? In this video, we'll be showing you step-by-step on how we install our rear bumper for the Jeep XJ. Whether you're a seasoned fabricator or a first-timer, we've got you covered with all the tips and tricks you need. Let's get started. The first step is to carefully remove these two sections from your Jeep to accommodate the rear bumper brackets. Next, take the brackets shown in the video and slide them into the sections you've already removed. Here you can see us securing the brackets in place. Depending on your setup, you may need a pry bar to adjust the bracket for proper alignment with the bolt holes. Now, repeat the same steps on the passenger side of the vehicle. Depending on your setup, aligning the bolts with the bolt holes may be easier or more challenging. We recommend tightening the bolt just enough to secure the bracket, rather than fully fastening them in at this stage. Now that your tie-in brackets are secured, the next phase is to attach the mounting bracket to the tie-in brackets you've just installed. When installing the outer two bolts to the mounting brackets, make sure the bolts pass through the shackle pockets for a proper fitment. Now, take the washer and nut provided in our kit and simply thread them onto the bolt. Tighten the 4 bolts you previously threaded in, but leave them loose enough so the mounting bracket can still move left and right. Next, repeat the exact same process on the passenger side. Depending on your Jeep's setup, you may need to use a pry bar to help align the holes with the bolts, as you can see in the video. You're almost there. Just make sure the mounting brackets are in the most inward position when placing the bumper. It should align smoothly in place. The final step is to fasten the 3 bolts into the mounting bracket, as shown above. You'll need to squeeze your hand into this section of the bumper. If you've got larger hands, it might be a bit tricky. So go ahead and recruit one of your kids to help out. They're probably busy grinding in Fortnite, so they won't be hard to find. Before tightening your bolts, take a moment to step back and make sure everything is straight and even. If everything looks good, go ahead and finish tightening them down. The time has come. Grab your dependable impact wrench and tighten down those final bolts. That's the sound of a job almost done. Now go grab a beer and take a moment to admire your new badass XJ rear bumper.